What's up, V8X family? Fire. Welcome back to channel V8X, your ultimate destination for next-level automotive luxury. Today, buckle up, because we're diving into something seriously elite. Meet the 2026 Mercedes-Benz V-Class by TopCar Design in stunning glossy pearl white. And trust me, this is not your average luxury van. This is a rolling private jet on wheels. Right from the front view, the presence is absolutely dominant. That bold grille, razor-sharp LED headlights, and the clean pearl white finish create a look that screams power and prestige. This thing doesn't just arrive, it announces itself. In true American luxury ad fashion, every line is sculpted to perfection, giving the V-Class an aggressive yet ultra-premium stance that turns heads instantly. Slide over to the side profile, and wow, the proportions are pure executive class. The long, smooth body lines flow effortlessly from front to rear, while those premium alloy wheels anchor the vehicle with serious authority. The glossy pearl white paint reflects like liquid metal under studio lights. Whether it's parked at a 5-star hotel or cruising downtown, this V-Class looks like it belongs in the VIP lane only. Now let's talk about that rear view, because TopCar Design did not come to play. The sleek LED tail lights glow with a futuristic signature, and the overall back-end styling is clean, modern, and unmistakably high-end. And yes, the custom V8X plate seals the deal with that exclusive channel signature look. Step inside to the dashboard, and this is where things go full spaceship mode. The cabin is wrapped in premium materials, ambient lighting flows across the interior, and the digital cockpit feels straight out of the future. Every surface screams craftsmanship. Every button feels intentional. This isn't just driving, this is first-class commanding. Pop the hood and the engine bay tells its own story. Precision engineering, clean performance layout, and that unmistakable German attention to detail. It's built not just for smooth luxury cruising, but for confident, effortless power delivery when you need it. Out on the highway, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz V-Class by TopCar Design glides like a luxury yacht. The ride is smooth, the presence is commanding, and the motion blur shots? Absolutely cinematic. This is the kind of vehicle that makes long-distance travel feel like a VIP experience every single mile. And when night falls, oh, it gets even better. In the night shot, the pearl white body reflects city neon like pure art. The LED headlights cut through the darkness with authority, while the wet road reflections create that premium American commercial vibe. This is luxury that doesn't sleep. Inside the showroom lighting, the V-Class looks like it belongs behind velvet ropes. Clean reflections, flawless paint, and that unmistakable TopCar Design attitude. This van isn't just premium, it's ultra-exclusive. Now let's talk numbers. Money bag. The estimated price of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz V-Class by TopCar Design can climb well into the $120,000 to $160,000 range, depending on customization. And honestly, for this level of luxury, presence, and executive comfort, it absolutely earns that price tag. If you're about power, prestige, and pure VIP energy, this machine delivers on every level. Make sure you smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more elite automotive content. This is channel V8X, where luxury meets horsepower. Fire.